Class 2 English Language Lesson Articles. The Day 8. Good morning, children. In the previous class, you learned about a, an, which are articles, and how to put these articles before any word. Today I will tell you the usage of another article, which is the. Now let us read these sentences. The first one, may I borrow the book? Second one, look at the boy standing near the window. He is the topper of our class. Number 3, I have an umbrella. The umbrella is colorful. In these sentences, we have used the. See, you can see that we have used the before book, boy, window, topper, and umbrella. Before book, we have used the. Before boy, we have used the. Before window, we have used the. Before topper, we have used the. And before umbrella, we have used the. Now we will learn why we use the before these words. We use the before nouns. Like as I showed over here, that book, boy, window, topper and umbrella are the nouns. Book, window, umbrella are the things which are called nouns. Boy and topper can be called as persons. So these become nouns. So we use the before nouns. There is one more example. The teacher who gave me a pencil is very kind. Now here teacher is a noun and we used the before the noun. Next is, what is the name of the boy with the dog? Dog is a noun, it's an animal, and before that we use the. Boy, person, it's a noun, and we have used the before boy. Now we come to the next one. We use the before the names of famous buildings, rivers, mountains, newspapers, holy books, and specific directions. For example, the Taj Mahal is located on the banks of the Yamuna. Taj Mahal is a proper noun and it is a famous building. So that is why we use the before Taj Mahal. T is capital, M is capital. Now there can be many other buildings like Red Fort, India Gate. So these buildings are proper nouns and we use the before proper noun. Next is Yamuna. Yamuna is a river. It is a river and we use the before this river. Y is capital. It's a proper noun. You will only see Yamuna in the world. One Yamuna is there, not more than that. I have read the Bible several times. Bible is a holy book. It is one of a kind and it is a proper noun and we use the before Bible. Next is, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. East and west are specific directions. It can be north and south also, and we use the before these direction as they are specifically said. Sun is a universal thing and it is one of a kind and we use the. So there can be other famous buildings also. There can be other rivers also like Ganga. There can be other mountains also, Mount Everest, Mount Abu. Other newspapers also like the Telegraph, the Hindustan Times. Other holy books also, Quran, Gita. Over there also we use the before those nouns as they sound like as they are proper nouns. Now we come to the next one. We also use the when the noun is one of its kind. For example, the highest mountain in the world. Tell me, children, tell me a mountain's name. Okay, Mount Everest. Yes. So Mount Everest is a proper noun and it is one of a kind. You will not see any other mountain named Mount Everest in the other countries. There is only one Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain in the world, and it is one of a kind. That is why we use the. Next is the most intelligent girl in the class. When a class has 45 students, you will see that there is one boy or a girl who is the most intelligent, and that time we use the, because we're talking about a particular noun which is one of its kind. You must have heard in the class the teacher says that boy is the most intelligent boy in the class. When the teacher uses these two words, most intelligent, that means it is a noun and we're talking about a one of its kind. That is why we use the. We come to next one. We can use the with both singular and plural nouns. Yes. Now in the articles a and an, we cannot use plural nouns. We can only use singular nouns. But in the, we can use the both. For example, I saw the ostrich at the zoo. I saw the ostriches at the zoo. Now here you see there is one particular ostrich. It is singular noun and we use the, and here es is there, that means plural noun, more than one. So we also use the over here. So we can use the before singular and plural nouns. Now we will see here we use the with nouns that have already been mentioned before. For example, a red car came to pick up my father. The car belonged to his friend. Now here, car is a noun. It's a thing. And we have already used this. So, in the next sentence, we have used the. That means we can use the before the nouns that have already been mentioned. The car is already been mentioned here and we have used the to start the sentence. We also use the when we know who or what we mean. Yes. For example, the principal of our school. When we talk about the principal, we give a respect and we say the principal, pointing to a particular person. The driver of the red car. Particular driver. All these are nouns. We use the when we write or talk about a person or thing of which there is only one. Yes, I told you earlier, universal thing. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky. These three are universal things and it is one of a kind. That is why we use the before sun, before moon and before sky. We also use the when we talk about sea, which is noun, and Ganges, which is a proper noun. G is capital and we use the. So we use the before a noun also as well as a proper noun also. As I said that we also use the when we talk about universal things which are out of the earth, like sun, moon, earth, sky, stars, planets. In these nouns we use the. Now here are some other examples like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi. These are rivers and we use the. The Bible, the Gita, the Quran. These are your, what are these called? These are the holy books, which are nouns and we use the. Picture of a Taj Mahal, picture of a Ganga, you can see here. Now let us learn about few things of articles, especially the sounds of the words which tell us about vowel sound and consonant sound. Here you can see there are some words: European, uniform, our, honorable. When we say European, the sound which comes is a Y sound. Y sound. When we say uniform, the sound which comes is a Y sound, which means the word starts with vowel letters E, vowel letters U, but sounds consonant Y. U, the Y sound, it's a consonant. Uniform, U, it's a consonant. Hence, we put article A before European and article A before uniform. Okay? Here you can see some words: our, honorable, honest. When we say our, the sound which comes is A sound. A sound. Our. Two A's are there. Our. And also the letter H is silent. So when we say A sound, we think about vowel, letter A. Then we use article and before our. Same thing, when we say honorable, the sound which comes is on, honorable, on, O, which is your vowel, and H is a silent letter. So we add an before the word honorable. When we say honest, the sound which comes on, honest, on, O is a vowel and also the letter H is silent, and the words sounds vowel. Hence we put article an before these words. I hope you all have understood the usage of a and the, which are called articles. Do not copy anything from here and take care. Till then, goodbye.